Have you ever felt lost in a big city? Don't worry. Today, we have a simple and fun English conversation about asking for directions. This will help you speak English with confidence. Let's begin.
I think I'm lost. Where is the train station?
Oh, hi there. You look a little confused. Do you need help?
Yeah, please. I'm new here. I can't find the train station.
No problem. You're close. Just walk straight and turn right at the big coffee shop.
Okay. Walk straight, then right. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Easy, right?
Alex walks, but suddenly stops at a crossing. He looks around again. Emma notices and comes closer.
Oops. I think I forgot. Left or right?
It happens. Don't worry. It's right, not left.
Got it. Thank you again.
Wow, you're really polite. Tourists are usually in a hurry.
Maybe I'm slow, but better slow than lost, right?
Yeah, that's true.
They walk together. A big coffee shop appears.
Oh, here is the coffee shop. Yay, I found it.
Yes, great job. Now the train station is just 2 blocks away.
2 blocks. Easy.
Just keep walking straight. You'll see a big sign.
Thank you, Emma. By the way, are you from here?
Yeah, I live here. I love this city.
Wow, it's a big city. So many tall buildings.
Yes, and so many tourists too.
Alex starts walking, but goes into a small street.
Oops, Alex, not that way. That's a parking lot.
Oh, my mistake. Thank you for stopping me.
No worries. Many people make the same mistake.
Okay. Straight road only. Got it.
They walk side by side toward the train station.
So, Emma, what do you like in this city?
I like the parks and the food.
Oh, food. Yes, I'm hungry now.
You can try pizza near the station. It's very good.
Ooh, pizza! I love pizza! Yay! I'm excited!
Yeah, you will enjoy it.
They finally reach the train station. A big sign says Union Station.
Wow! Here it is! The station looks amazing.
Yeah, welcome to Union Station.
I feel so happy now. No more lost.
See, asking for directions is easy.
You are right. Thank you so much, Emma. You are very kind.
You're welcome, Alex. Have a safe trip.
Yay! Thank you. And maybe see you again.
Camera shows Alex walking into the station, weaving. Emma smiles and waves back. Remember, friends, If you feel lost, just ask politely. Practice these simple English sentences and you will speak better every day. Don't forget to practice with us again. See you in the next video. Subscribe for more English speaking practice. Practice listening and speaking every day.